Before we get into the cosmic horror of this thing, let's clear one thing up. This isn't a strain of weed, and it's not a new drug. If you came here looking for a high, you're in the wrong corner of the internet. But if you want to talk about a different kind of high, the kind that exists 14 million light years away in a place so dark it shouldn't exist, then stay exactly where you are. Imagine floating in the deepest, coldest trench of the ocean. You can feel the water violently rushing past you, pulled by the wake of something massive, but your flashlight reveals absolutely nothing. That exact terrifying scenario just played out in deep space. In early 2026, the FAST Observatory found a cosmic leviathan hiding in the dark. Cloud 9. It is a Reionization-Limited H I Cloud, or RELHIC, a ghost galaxy with immense gravity but zero stars. Welcome to Axiom Vector. Today, we are hunting a brand new ghost that is rewriting the Lambda Cold Dark Matter model of the universe. Let's talk about how you actually find something in space that is completely invisible. You don't look for the object itself, you look for the 21-centimeter emission line of neutral hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most basic building block of the cosmos, emitting a very specific, faint radio frequency. In 2026, astronomers using the FAST radio telescope were mapping these emissions near the spiral galaxy Messier 94. They expected to find normal, drifting cosmic gas that hadn't done much of anything since the Big Bang. Instead, they found Cloud 9 sitting in the cosmic void, completely still. It wasn't rotating like a normal galaxy at all. Without rotation, the warm gas should naturally expand and drift away into the void. But Cloud 9 is trapped in perfect hydrostatic equilibrium. Something incredibly heavy is crushing it inward, keeping the gas perfectly contained. Based on this delicate balancing act, astronomers calculated Cloud 9 contains about 1 million solar masses of hydrogen gas. But to hold that warm gas together, it requires a dark matter halo weighing up to 5 billion solar masses. For context, a dark matter halo of that size is so gravitationally dominant it could easily swallow entire star systems without a trace. So, naturally, researchers pointed the Hubble Space Telescope at that exact spot, expecting to see a brilliant, blazing city of stars. But when the images came back, the advanced camera for surveys revealed screens that were completely blank. There was no glowing core, no stellar nurseries, and no sweeping spiral arms. It was just a colossal, invisible mass of pure gravity. Cloud 9 wasn't just a quiet neighborhood in space. It was a galaxy without the galaxy part. This is where the physics get deeply uncomfortable. Everything you have ever touched, seen, or loved makes up just about 5% of the universe. Think about the crushing, toxic atmosphere and the phenomenon of diamond rain on Uranus. Think about the violent, continent-sized storms of Jupiter, our sun, and every other star in the night sky. All of that normal, tangible baryonic matter is basically a rounding error in the cosmic math. About 27% of existence is completely dominated by cold, dark matter. Dark matter is the universe's ultimate phantom. It has immense mass, meaning it generates massive gravity, but it does not reflect, emit, or block light in any way. If you had a baseball made of pure dark matter, it would fall right through your hand. It would drop through the floor and plummet straight to the center of the Earth without hitting a single atom. Cloud 9 is not just a dark matter anomaly. It is a pristine, untouched fossil from the dawn of time. It is what astrophysicists call a Reionization-Limited H I Cloud. This means the gas inside it is in perfect thermal equilibrium with the cosmic ultraviolet background. It sits perfectly on a critical boundary in the Lambda Cold Dark Matter model. It had enough dark matter to pull in massive amounts of gas, but fell just short of the weight needed to trigger stellar ignition. Now it is being subjected to ram pressure stripping. This is a violent intergalactic wind from nearby galaxies, threatening to blow its hydrogen away entirely. Cloud 9 is a cosmic ghost town that was built, but nobody ever moved in. For decades, scientists have built multi-billion-dollar detectors deep underground to catch dark matter particles like WIMPs or axions. We use vats of liquid xenon cooled to near absolute zero, waiting for a ghost to bump into an atom. And for decades, we found absolutely nothing. It's like sitting in a dark room, knowing a tiger is breathing on your neck, but every time you swing a bat, you hit empty air. So why does an invisible cloud 14 million light-years away actually matter to us? Because Cloud 9 gives us a flawless laboratory to finally map dark matter without the blinding interference of starlight. In a normal galaxy, exploding supernovas and stellar winds constantly churn the gas, making it impossible to see what the dark matter is doing. But in Cloud 9, everything is terrifyingly still and silent. By watching how the ram pressure stripping interacts with this pristine cloud, we can see exactly how the dark matter halo pushes back. It is exactly like watching an invisible man walk through a heavy rainstorm. You cannot see the man himself, but you can easily track the raindrops bouncing off his unseen shoulders. If we can finally understand this ghost, we might fix our broken models of human physics. Right now, quantum mechanics and gravity fundamentally refuse to work together. Dark matter is the missing bridge connecting the tiny vibrating world of atoms to massive spinning galaxies. Cloud 9 is an invisible monument to how little we truly know about our own home. And here's the final spooky thought I want to leave you with today. Dark matter isn't just out there hiding in the deepest corners of deep space. It surrounds us down here on Earth, flowing through our solar system like an invisible river. A dark matter halo is so vast and dense that it completely engulfs our entire galaxy in a web of unseen gravity. At this exact moment, billions of dark matter particles are streaming through your screen and into your brain. They do not care that you exist, and they do not feel your presence. You are a ghost to them, just as much as they are a ghost to you. Cloud 9 proves that the universe doesn't have to shine to be incredibly massive. Sometimes the most powerful things in the dark are the things you cannot see. If you want to keep exploring the terrifying, weird, and wonderful edges of the cosmos, hit that subscribe button. Do it now so you never miss our next deep dive into the unknown. Leave a comment below and tell us what you think dark matter actually is. Are we living inside a simulation, or is physics just vastly stranger than we ever imagined? Thank you for exploring the dark with Axiom Vector. Keep looking up, but remember, the void is always looking right back at you.
Yeah, 14 million light years, ghost galaxy so deep, invisible mass while the cosmos secrets keep. Boom, Cloud 9's the name, dark matter's the game. Boom, hydrostatic grip, ain't no one to blame. Axiom flow! From the ocean trench to the stars that don't gleam, Axiom Vector's here, living the cosmic dream. Axiom flow!